Gadget lovers, brace yourselves for an unboxing experience like no other. Today we delve into the world of cutting-edge technology and innovation. We're about to embark on a journey that takes us into the heart of unparalleled performance, the essence of sleek design, and the frontier of next-level technology. Can you guess what lies in wait? The suspense is part of the thrill, isn't it? So hold on to your seats because we're just getting started. Stay tuned as we reveal what's inside the box of this technological marvel. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra begins. Right off the bat, you'll notice the packaging. The box is a sleek black, adorned with the Samsung logo and the name of the phone in a striking silver font. It's minimalistic yet sophisticated, a true testament to the marvel that lies within. As we lift the lid, the first thing we lay our eyes on is the phone itself. It's encased in a protective film, shimmering under the lights. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a thing of beauty. With its glass back and metal frame, it feels solid, weighty and comfortable in the hand. Now, let's peel off that film. The smoothness of the glass back, the cool touch of the metal frame, it's all a tactile delight. The design is streamlined. The edges are curved just right. It's a phone that doesn't just look good but feels good too. Beneath the phone, we find the accessories. First up, the charger. It's a USB-C fast charger promising to juice up your phone in no time. Next, we have the earbuds. They're sleek, wireless and boast impressive sound quality. Last but not least, we have the user manual, a handy guide to unlock the full potential of your new gadget. But let's get back to the phone. The display is a vibrant Super AMOLED, offering crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors. The camera is a quadruple lens setup designed for capturing stunning photos and videos. The battery life? Well, it's built to last all day, even with heavy usage. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement, a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and cutting-edge technology. It's a device that promises to enhance every aspect of your digital life, whether that's capturing memories, staying connected, or simply enjoying your favorite content. There you have it, the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a gadget that redefines the boundaries of technology. We've just unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a gadget that promises to revolutionize your digital experience. This marvel of technology, with its superior camera, extended battery life, and cutting-edge processing power, truly stands out. It's not just a phone, it's a statement of elegance and innovation. So how did you find this unboxing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, gadget lovers.